Let's get one thing out of the way right now. If AI could pick the winning lottery number, this script wouldn't exist. I'd be sunbathing on a private island, sipping smoothies made by a very polite robot named Charles. But alas, here we are, me writing and you watching or reading because AI, for all its brilliance, still can't predict the future. And yes, that includes the next Powerball jackpot. So let's dive into this wonderfully ridiculous things people wish AI could do and why those things are, well, hilariously impossible. The lottery dream, AI's ultimate fantasy job. Let's face it, who wouldn't love a robot best friend who could whisper tomorrow's lottery numbers in your ear? That's the dream, right? Just type in, "Hey AI, what are the winning numbers for Saturday's draw?" And poof, early retirement. The problem is that the lottery is random. Totally, utterly. No pattern, no trend, no logic. Just chaos wrapped in bouncing plastic balls. AI is built to spot trends in data. But the lottery is basically the opposite of that. It's like asking a supercomputer to predict which way a squirrel will run next. No amount of machine learning can make sense of true randomness. In short, if AI could predict lottery numbers, we'd have a bigger problem because everyone would win. And then suddenly your 300 million jackpot would be worth about $3 and a coupon for frozen yogurt. The fortune teller fallacy. Sorry, AI doesn't have a crystal ball. People love the idea that AI is this all-knowing digital wizard. But despite the name artificial intelligence, it's not magic. It doesn't read tea leaves or consult the stars. It doesn't know the future. It only guesses based on patterns from the past. So, no, it can't tell you when you'll meet your soulmate, when the stock market will crash, or whether your team will win the Super Bowl in 2029. It can't predict the weather perfectly 2 weeks out, let alone your next Tinder match. It's like asking your toaster to write a symphony. Sure, it can make great toast, but that doesn't mean it understands Mozart. Some of the most hilarious things people have asked AI. Let's pause for a second to appreciate some of the real questions people have asked AI systems. Can you write me a love letter that will make my ex cry and regret everything? Can you talk to ghosts? Can you calculate the exact day I will die? Can you file my taxes and maybe clean the garage while you're at it? Spoiler alert, AI said no to all of them, except for taxes. It can help with that a little. But the garage? You're on your own, buddy. The wish list we secretly all have. Here's the honest truth. We've all had that moment staring into the digital abyss and whispering, "If you're so smart, why can't you? Make me taller. Find me a date who likes all my weird hobbies. Remember my anniversary for me. Fold the laundry without judgment." We want AI to be like a superpowered genie with unlimited wishes, but the tech world is more like a fuzzy vending machine. Push the right buttons and you'll get something useful. Ask for too much and all you get is a flashing error message and a chip bag stuck behind the glass. What AI actually can do, and it's still amazing. Now, don't get me wrong, AI is incredibly powerful. It can analyze massive data sets in seconds, generate new ideas, help diagnose diseases, write poems, paint pictures, drive cars, well, almost, and even beat the best human players at games like chess and Go. It can help you brainstorm your next blog post, plan your meals, translate languages, and remind you to drink water. Heck, it might even suggest you stop binge watching cat videos at 2 a.m. Though, let's be honest, we both know you'll ignore that. But here's a big difference between being intelligent and being all-knowing. It's not a wizard or your fairy godmother. It's more like a super organized assistant who's great at sorting information, but still can't cook your lasagna or predict when your boss will call you into a surprise Zoom meeting. Here's why it's actually a good thing. If AI could do everything we dreamed of, including predicting the future, there would be chaos. Imagine a world where everyone knew the next stock to skyrocket, the next winning team, or the next big crypto jump. It would collapse faster than a Jenga tower in an earthquake. Unpredictability is part of life. It's what makes things exciting. Annoying, yes, but also exciting. If your life had a spoiler-filled script, would you even enjoy the movie? Final thoughts. AI is cool, but not a miracle machine. So the next time someone says, "Why can't AI just tell me what stock to buy?" or "Can AI tell me if aliens exist?" remember this. AI isn't here to replace luck, fate, or the glorious messiness of human life. It's here to help you, not to outsmart the universe. So now AI can't win you the lottery, but it can help you write a really clever email asking your boss for a raise, which might be the next best thing. And who knows, maybe one day AI will be able to fold your laundry while giving you emotional support. But until then, keep dreaming, keep laughing, and don't forget to buy your own lottery ticket. It won't help, but hey, it's tradition. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching,